The sun is setting over the countryside, and there's a storm brewing. Separately, there are three strangers traveling across the land: a rabbi, a Hindu, and a critic, sort of an inner critic that's on an outing. The rabbi, who, by the way, is quite short and has a moustache, seems familiar. Anyway, comes to a small farmer's hut and knocks on the door. The farmer opens the door, sees the rabbi, and says, "Stranger, there's a storm brewing and it's about to get dark. Please come into my humble home. You're most welcome to stay the night." A little bit later, and at the knock of the door, the farmer opens it to see the Hindu. And the farmer says, "Please come into my humble home. There's not much room for us, but it is dark and it's raining. Come out of the storm." A little bit later, another knock at the door, and the farmer opens the door to the critic. At which the farmer turns to all of them and says, "You're most welcome to shelter in my humble home, but there's not enough room for all of you to stay the night. One of you must stay in the barn." At this, the rabbi gets up and says, "I'm a rabbi. The Jewish people, we understand suffering. I will sleep in the barn." And so the rabbi heads off into the storm, and he's heard to say, "If not now, then." A little bit later, farmer opens the door and it's the rabbi. And the rabbi says, "I'm so sorry, I cannot sleep in the barn. I am a rabbi, and in the barn there's a pig, and in my religion, a pig is very dirty." At this, the Hindu gets up and he says, "I'm a Hindu. We Hindus, we understand.
Sacrifice.
I will sleep in the barn." And the Hindu goes off into the stormy night. A little bit later, farmer opens the door, it's the Hindu. And the Hindu says, "I'm a Hindu, but I cannot sleep in the barn because there's a cow in the barn, and in my religion, a cow is very sacred." And then the critic stands up and goes, "Oh, all right, if I must, I'll sleep in the barn." Storms off into the night. A little while later, it's the cow and the pig.